Luke chapter 2, verse from 8 to 14. You know, okay, it is Christmas time. Christmas time is, happy time. Everybody is very happy. Because, the birth of Jesus Christ, is when Jesus was born. Because of the birth of Jesus Christ, everybody is very happy. Now the birth of Jesus Christ brought the human beings good news, very good news. But the God sent an angel to shepherd, to tell them, that Jesus, the Savior, now is born. That's why I was very wondering. When I was reading the Bible, I was wondering, I was very curious, why? Why is the shepherd? Why is the shepherd became the first receiver of good news? I was wondering. There are so many people. Why not? There are hundreds and thousands, the different kinds of people who have, had different jobs. But why God, chose the shepherd to tell them the good news? That's why, the shepherd became, the first receiver, who had good news from the angel. This is very interesting. It didn't happen by accident. There's purpose. I realized that. Because the shepherds are the right people who could explain the purpose of the birth of Jesus Christ. That's why. You got it? Let me tell you again. Jesus Christ was born in the world to be a shepherd for us. That's why. That's why. The Bible said today there were shepherds living out in the fields nearby, just outside of the Bethlehem, and keeping watch over their flocks at night. It was a very deep night when Jesus was born. And at the time, the sheep were sleeping in the field. But beside the sheep, the shepherd didn't sleep. The shepherd was watching, keeping watch over the sheep. In the time of Jesus Christ, the field, the Palestine field was very dangerous because there were many wild animals and wild beasts. So because of shepherd, the sheep were feeling very safe, and that's why they were sleeping. Jesus Christ, came to the world as a shepherd for us. Now, spiritually speaking, this world is still, in very deep darkness. The world is very dark. And the world is not very safe. Do you know why? Because there is Satan, which we cannot see. And also there are many evil spirits. Very powerful and dirty evil spirits. That's why the Bible said this world is a very dangerous place. Very. But Jesus Christ came to the world. The baby Jesus was born in Bethlehem. But 1,000 thousands before Jesus was born in Bethlehem, David, the boy, the King David, was taking care of sheep in the same place. Very interesting. David, thousands years ago, before Jesus was born, the boy David was looking after sheep. So before David became a king, his job was a shepherd. He was a shepherd. That's why, David wrote Psalm 23. Do you remember? This is one of the famous, I think, psalm in the world. Psalm 23. In the psalm, in Psalm 23, David said, "The Lord is my shepherd. You are my shepherd." This is what David confessed. It means, David said, "You are my shepherd." It means, I am your sheep. I am your sheep. Oh. Can you understand? Okay, Korean young children, can you understand my English? I'm doing my best to speak very slowly. Okay, please, that's why I told you, please bear with me, put up with me, okay? Because I try to speak slowly, okay? For young Korean youngsters. In English, a word like F word. Ooh. Like, I don't say F word, but there is F word. But in Iraq or Iran, even in the society of the Middle East, if somebody say to you, "Oh, you are just like a sheep," it means very insulting word. You are like a sheep. Do you know why? We have different, the meaning of the sheep between Middle East, where the Bible was written, and also Korea, or in Australia, or New Zealand, or in Scotland, where I lived 7 years. But the original meaning of the sheep in the Bible is that the people in the Middle East believe or think that sheep is very idiot, very dull, and very stubborn, and won't listen to shepherd. That's why you're just like a sheep. Then what? You're very stubborn and dirty, and you're hopeless like that. Not only for that, but furthermore, the sheep has very bad eyesight. Very bad eyesight. I don't know exactly, but when I was in Scotland, living in Aberdeen, sometimes I went to countryside. There are so many sheep, but a friend of mine told me that the sheep, they cannot see the object, the 10 meters away. Only just 3 or 5 meters away. That's all. So, and particularly the eye lines is like that, so they cannot see like this. So only they look like that. So 2 or 3 meters, that's all. So the friend, the friend sheep goes that way, then the next friend sheep, they follow like that, because they cannot see long distance. That's the image of the sheep in the Middle East.